Welcome guys, and thank you for viewing our Volvo XC60 R line that we have here. This one is finished in stunning red. You've got the projector headlights, daytime running lights. It's a full LED system. You've got alloy wheels throughout, and this one here has just been roadworthy through our BMW service department. This one does have the premium leather with the suede trim, and you get the R Design logo in there as well. Heated front seats, satellite navigation, and that beautiful 360-degree camera throughout. One of the other great things, it does have the full sunroof. That blind does open and it gives you this beautiful view. It does have tow bar, electric brakes, so you can hook up your camper van or your trailer as well. Through the back, it's in stunning condition, and you do have that electric tailgate. So press the button here, you can lower that tailgate down. Coming down to the side, beautiful through the body, blind spot monitoring, seat memory as well, as you would expect. Coming through inside, this car has just been serviced by the Volvo dealer that has done all its servicing. As you can see through the display, beautiful display. You can change that as well. Got all your controls through here, the R-Line decal, seat memory over this side, full electrics, and you got that red arc brake unit here. Big clear display with a 360-degree camera as well, which you can pinpoint where you want that view to come from.